This is my dream. Precious is on my team.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am here doing a little unboxing, sorta kinda. Well, in my last video, this video right here, or is it right here somewhere, I was talking about ordering my stuff on Etsy, and it takes a little while to get to you because these are personalized stuff that's made with love, and it's by small business owners, so it takes us a little bit longer to ship and get it ready and all of that. But anyway, I checked my mail this morning and voila, it's here. This is my binder, one of my binder from Glamoroso. I think it's Rosso or Rosa, but I'll link it right here to be certain. I just got it today, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up with you guys. Wait, let's get a scissors. I'm so excited. Okay, isn't this nice? This is so pretty. OMG. I love the way she did a reverse on the locks so they are not all on one side. Oh my god, it is so cute. Wow. Let's see what we have. Rent, DWP, gas, cable, Wi-Fi, insurance, credit cards, credit union, good deeds. Oh, how cute. How cute this is. I love it. I love it. Oh, I think I got some. Oh, let's see. She gave me a little bonus. She gave me a little cash breakdown slip. I love this. So I'm definitely gonna laminate this for sure, you know. Oh, wait a minute. It's too late now, but it's never too late. Let's get into this dice, honey. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46 verse 10. Check that out. So back to this now. This is my cash breakdown slip. I love that. And there's a few other stuff in here. And then I have, my track slip. My spending tracker. So she gave me one spending tracker with that. And what else is in here? A thank you card. Thank you for your purchase. And okay, here we are. This is her information. Can you see it? Forget about my crusty nail. So she's on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. And she's also on Etsy, right? I'm in love with these. These I am in love with. I'm very creative, so at some point I may take these off and change them into something else. I don't know yet, but for right now, this is what I'm working with. Or I may gift this in my giveaway. No, I want to keep this. It is so nice. I mean, everything that I give away is nice, right? But I just like this. Like, I love it. That's so nice. Let me measure this binder to see the size of it. So it is 7 3/4 by around 5. 7 3/4 around 5. Let me measure that with my other binders that I'm getting and see, just to kind of get an idea if they're gonna be the same. Okay, wow. So this binder is, see, way than my other binder. Wonder if my other binder is too small, but I love this. This is the ish. So thank you guys for watching, and you can go and check out Glamorosa. Go to her Etsy shop and purchase whatever you want. It takes a little while to come, so you have to be patient. like I was. But this is so cute. Like, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this. I may change these envelopes out, depending. I don't know. I may change them out to my personal envelopes. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But should we do it now? Yeah, we have to do it later. You know why? Because, all right, what I'll do is I'll pause this and go get them ready and do it, because I still need to make the punch hole on all the envelopes. Okay, so intermission. During the intermission, go ahead, like the videos, share the videos, comment on the videos, so the algorithm can send us out to the world. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We're growing. We're almost at 2K, and once we get to 2K, we will definitely be having a giveaway, so look out for that. Okay, guys, I don't even know how to explain to you that I did this, but it took me a very long time to figure out where to put the holes. I just know that my binder is A5, so I set it at the A5 thingy, and then I kind of pull this thing out and I kind of measured on here where I want it, and you know, just tried and tried and tried until I just asked the Lord, show me what to do. I don't know what to do. And then something came up in my head and told me to fix this there, measure it, and then once it's measured, I left it at that spot, and I just did them and they worked. I don't know. See, I had so many examples right here that I had to do, but the last thing that I did was I kind of let me show you. I kind of just put this I know I had to come up with a way to do it. I just kind of put this here to figure out how far in or how far it will punch, and then I'm like, I measured it. Oh, let me show you what I did. Yeah, right here. Kind of put this on here, and then I measured where this stops right here, and then after I got the measurement that it stopped right here, I put this in and punched it, and then I realized that, okay, so if the envelope stopped here and the hole is going to be here, then I'm going to punch a little bit of the envelope, but I didn't mind. So I just settled for that and make sure I have equal space on each side. And that's what I did. Make sure, oh Jesus. I made sure I had equal space on each side. Supposedly, I don't know. Because right now I think I pushed, no. But anyway, I just figured, oh wait, shoot. There's money in here. There's money in here, so I just kind of pulled that to the top a little bit. Huh? I just pulled that to the top a little bit. And then make sure it's there, make sure it's all in, and press it, and that's it. Because my mind will play trick on me and I will just be here all day. So that's what I did. I'll figure out how to do it in the next ones and then try to tell you guys, but yeah. And then that's how I did it. So this is my cash binder with all my bills. These are all the stuff that, these are my variable expenses. They're coming. Whether I'm asleep or awake, they are coming. And I got this binder from Glamorosa. She's on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, thank you guys for watching and being patient, because this is just all over the place, honestly.